Hello guys, here we have the new Premiere, the Premiere as Samsung says. It's the new ultra short throw projector from Samsung. It's the flagship, the 9. It's glossy, finish, white one, has a cloth in front here for the speaker, has an excellent speaker. Samsung logo is here. So on the side it's like this for the air in order to cool off. The lens is there. I'm gonna do some reviews about this, to watch some images, how it works. We have it here for review. Here are the inputs and outputs, 3 HDMIs. You can play games to connect your gaming console. It's a media player here, the USB. And the only button that this projector has is the on-off, no other buttons. And this is for the mic. If you are afraid of listening you can switch mechanically off. So this is the remote control that this projector comes with. It's white as well, has few buttons but very well positioned on the remote control. It's easy to learn it, does not take too much if you follow the menus on the screen. On the back there is a solar panel in order to charge it. So no batteries anymore. There is a USB as well if you don't have enough light inside your dark room, let's say, to charge it, but it can be charged easily. Underneath we have these pads, adjustable ones. This fit to bring and to, align the projector according to our screen. LPU9D. It's one of the biggest ultra short projectors right now in the market because combines all the latest technologies. Beautiful optics. Standard, here is the gaming menu. It's one of the first, I haven't seen any other projector to provide this kind of menu like the TVs. So we have game menu here, screen ratio, minimap zoom. So then we have more settings. Game mode auto, virtual aim pointer off. We can have different colors of the pointer. Dynamic black, so we can adjust the blacks. Game motion plus settings. Judder reduction in games motion plus. HDR gaming. Advanced, let's set it. Minimap detection on. So we have some AirPlay settings. This is for extra settings for the game, for gaming. Then we have game motion plus 2 levels. Sound, we can here stream our sound to external speakers as I have done now. The stereo hub, it goes to the studio and plays right now. But you can have a Bluetooth speaker list here. Let's select this projector speaker now. Filmmaker mode. We can reduce the image if we like, or to move it up on the side, so to have a proper installation. So this is a color gamut space. We have BT 2020, DC IP3. Let's choose this one. Let's check the motion interpolation. Here we see the accuracy, the motion, and how the image is stabilized on the screen. Let's play with the clarity. Where is the clarity? Clarity here. Let's put it auto. Yeah. The colors are very natural. Sometimes are way better than the television, so even the OLED TV, they are playing better, guys, because it's a projection, laser one, and the light from the projection, from the laser, is very, you know, very thick. It's not like from LED. Here we are looking laser lights. The pink color, which is hard for TV, here is nice. You can see that's pink, better than TV. Okay, TVs, the mini LED ones, they have a lot of light, a lot of brightness, let's say. Projectors cannot reach that level of brightness as a mini LED TV, but it's a different thing. This is more natural, more warm, the image is more cinematic. To make it short, this projector is very nice. It's like a smart display. It's not only a projector that projects the image on the screen. This is okay, it's given, a lot of projectors are doing that. But this machine is doing a lot of things. It's a smart display that you can connect all your sources inside your house, from the smart camera that you have outside on your terrace, to the door camera if you have for security, to have your laptop on this, to have your smartwatch, to stream, to play games, you can do everything. So this is not just a projector, this is a ultra short projector with extremely smart features. So guys, that's all. That was the presentation of the Premiere from Samsung 9D. Thanks for watching. That was all. I'm very happy with this projector.